Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Changing the Java version in the terminal can be important for various reasons, such as ensuring compatibility with specific applications or testing different Java features. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to change the Java version in the terminal on different operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Step 1, install multiple Java versions. Before you can change the Java version, make sure you have multiple versions installed on your system. You can download Java from the official Oracle website, https://www.oracle.com/java/technology/java-z-jdk11-downloads.html, or adopt OpenJDK from Adoptium, https://adoptium.net. Step 2, verify install Java versions. You can check which Java versions are currently installed on your system. Windows. Open the command prompt and type #macOS/Linux. Open the terminal and type Step 3, change Java version in terminal. Windows. 1. Using environment variables *. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, find the variable named path and edit it. Add the path to the bin directory of the Java version you want to use. For example, if you install JDK11 in C/program files /java/JDK11, you would add C/program files /java/JDK11 bin to your path variable. Move the new path to the top of the list to prioritize it. Open a new command prompt and check the version. 2. Using the command line *. If you have installed JDKs using tools like stgaman or similar, you can use the command #macOS. 1. Using the terminal *. Open the terminal and use the following command to set the Java version. For example, to switch to Java 11. 2. Check the version *. After changing the Java_home, verify the version. 3. Make it permanent *. To make this change permanent, add the export command to your shell configuration file, like /.bash_profile or /.zshrc. Linux. 1. Using update alternatives *. Most Linux distributions support the update alternatives system. You can configure which version of Java to use with the following commands. You will see a list of installed Java versions. Enter the selection number for the version you want to use. 2. Check the version *. Verify the change. 3. Using Java_home *. Alternatively, you can set the Java_home environment variable. Again, to make this permanent, add the export commands to your shell configuration file. Conclusion. Changing the Java version in your terminal is a straightforward process, but it varies slightly depending on your operating system. Always ensure you have the correct paths and environment variables set up, and verify the Java version after making changes. This will ensure that your application or development environment runs smoothly with the desired version of Java.